You received your NIST Detachable leads and sensor bases, and you need to attach the lead connector. In this video, we'll go over the proper lead installation. When required, hot swap the existing lead with another NIST certified lead, then send the removed lead for recertification. Your base stays while your lead travels. To connect your lead, first locate the M8 6-pin connector on both the sensor base and the detachable lead. These connectors are keyed, so they will only align one way. Next, gently connect the lead to the sensor base. Once seated, begin tightening the threaded nut by hand. No tools needed here. Important, do not over-tighten. These connectors are designed to create a secure, sealed connection with light hand tightening only. Applying too much force can damage the threads. Tighten just until the connection is snug and secure. If you feel resistance, stop and check alignment to avoid cross-threading. Once connected, the sensor and lead operate in Monnit software exactly like a certified sensor. If the device is powered on and connected to your gateway, the LED on the base will flash once and immediately report the change to the gateway. If you don't see a flash, the sensor base didn't recognize the lead change, or it's off. That's it. A properly connected lead ensures accurate readings and maintains the integrity of your NIST certification.